first new entrants in a decade when they joined in 2026. No.
Mali naman count mo, Kwame.
Plexus?
If you start from here, you start counting from the white one. One.
Tama siya.
Name a U.S. state that has a tropical climate.
Hindi, kanina, dito lang sa bumagsak.
Florida is right.
Wala.
Round
11.
18. Everyone has to get
Where's
2
my-
correct to move on to our
Ano ba
final
ako?
round
Blue?
egg crackdown.
1, 2,
What
3, 4,
corporation
5,
known for luxury goods owns brands
9,
like
10,
Hennessy?
11.
Yes.
Kwame, ito naman yung cook. Kasi picking up from me. 1, 2,
The damn noob.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I'm gonna pick up for
Which
you.
Australian city
Oh,
is
one.
located in the Bay of Port Phillips?
Is that all yours?
Yeah.
Galing ah.
Melbourne is right.
I'm gonna send back sorry, Kwame.